This video is brought to you by SnapFit Collectibles. Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. This time we will be looking at the updated photos from the manufacturer Eidos Technology for their upcoming release, Valkyrie. And looking at the photos, this looks like a 7 swords in steroids from the 00 Gundam series. But I'm far more interested in the Salamander since we don't have an updated colored photos for that version. I will be waiting for SnapFit Collectibles for the pre-order of this model kit. And next on the list is the SNAA Knights of Round Titan Greatsword Tristan. Check out SnapFit Collectibles as the pre-order is already out.